Crocamole.
Who knew those big watermelons grew from such tiny seeds? I'm going to pretend to be a watermelon seed. Oh, we have to dig a hole. Oh, we put these on so that we can grow into a vine. Pop ourselves in the hole. Here we go. Thunk. And then hopefully we grow into a big, beautiful watermelon. Pack yourselves down. There we go. And then water ourselves to give us the strength to grow. Would you like to pretend to be a watermelon seed with me? All right, hop in the hole. That's it. On a little tiny mound, I am a seed in the ground. It's very dark, there is no light. Soon I'll grow with all my might. On a little tiny mound, I am a seed in the ground. It's very dark, there is no light. Soon I'll grow with all my might. Oh, look, I think we're growing. Look, I'm a vine. Do you see my lovely leaves? Hopefully we'll grow into a big watermelon soon. Oh, look, the rain's coming. The rain is falling from the sky. The sun is beaming up so high. Slowly, slowly to and fro, my sprouts and shoots begin to grow. I have a watermelon freshly grown in the garden all alone. Come and pick me, I'm your friend. Soon my seeds will grow again. Oh, look at our beautiful watermelon. So nice and juicy. Nom 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 nom.